Hello and welcome. You're watching Rev Sports. I'm Rohit Juglan. This video will be about the ICC meeting and the unofficial discussions in the ICC meeting. That was about, the Asia Cup trophy. That the controversy is going since that 28th when Mohsin Naqvi decided, took that trophy away and not hand it over to the Indian cricket team after they won the Asia Cup title in Dubai. So what happened in this meeting? First of all, obviously, Debajit Saikia initiated the conversations. It was in the sideline of the ICC meeting. It wasn't the official, part of discussion in the meeting on any day. So after the official things were done, it was all about this important and this this controversial matter in which we all know that Mohsin Naqvi did multiple things which can be discussed, but the most important part was obviously that how can we take the trophy back. Obviously Mohsin Naqvi was not virtually presented this time. This time he was physically presented there, and Debajit Saikia put that point that how can he take that trophy away, and it wasn't something in anger or something where he was flexing the power of the BCCI. It was it happened with all calmness. The communications were there. They made their point. The BCCI made their point, and the most important thing in this complete meeting, as since last night we were watching this, that there were multiple reports on can they make a committee. So first of all, there's no discussions about making a committee as of now, but the headline for me is all about how can the mediators present a couple of solutions within next 10 to 14 days. There were a lot of talks about that, finish this controversy, hand it over things to where it belongs as soon as possible. My sources also told me that it's not about the mediators. Even the top cricket boards also in this sideline conversation, they said that it will be good for the cricket if we can resolve this controversy as soon as possible. So it's not about the mediators, it's not the common mediators also. It's about it's not something which is now will take any other month or complete this year. It won't take that long, but I think next 10 to 15 days or maybe maximum this month, I think there will be a solution. And Mohsin Naqvi, from his part, what I am getting from the Pakistani sources, they are saying that Mohsin Naqvi's stand is very much clear, that come to the ACC office, pick the trophy up. I don't need your captain to be here. I need anyone from the representation, and come here and pick up the trophy. So he has his clear stand, and the Pakistani sources also telling me that he was there with all the answers. He was ready for all the questions from the BCCI, from anyone from the ICC, or he was all ready for this, and now it's all up to the mediators that what kind of a solution they will float in. I think one thing which is very clear, that in next 10 to 14 days there will be this complete controversy, I think, will get end, and we'll have a solution, and more appropriately we'll have the ICC trophy with us. But till then, if I can get any other update, if I'll have any other update, I'll do put it in Rev Sports. So keep following, keep watching, and we'll give you all the other updates in between. Just want to add that the committee part, as I said, that at this point of time there's no formation of any other panel or committee in this regards. Thank you so much.